Hey guys, what's up? So this is a video showing you guys how to make your spinach dumpling. So we are using counter flour, and we are using 2 cups of flour. So now we are gonna add a pinch of salt, and that's optional. Then we are going to mix that up, and we're adding some water, and you have to add the water little as you go along. Don't pour all the water in at once. Add it little, and you want to stir that flour around with your bare hands.
Baby, as you pour water, you continue to mix until the flour itself becomes dough, and then you can put it into your pot. But as I said, rightly said, you don't pour the water at once.
We add the water little.
Continue to make adjustment till the flour becomes dough.
So it's getting there, like that.
Take off the excess flour
Off your finger. Kaya, the finger involved, and need the flour in order for it to become dough.
If I wasn't the one mixing it, and you were the one mixing it, you'd have used a spoon.
Yeah, you can use a spoon as well, but when you use your hand, you get it more tighter and harder.
That's the traditional way.
Simple and easy, right? So this is how you want it to look. So we're not going to add any more water to this. This is how we want it to look. After finish pouring your water little by little, that's the dough. So we're gonna go ahead now, and we're gonna make our spinach.
So okay guys, what you do, you pick off a piece, and it's the piece will determine the size of your spinach. Sorry then.
So you roll it in your hands, guys. You pinch off a piece of the flour, roll it in your hands, and then you release it. And that's how you get your spinach.
Wooden soup, wooden stew peas.
Anything at all you want to put your spinach in.
Right. As the size determine
how big you want your spinach, because you can make them bigger than that, right?
Right, and you can make them smaller.
And you can make them even smaller.
There's no law to the size.
Right.
It is determined by you.
There you have it, your spinach. So we're gonna show you how to make some big one as well.
Get pinch a bigger piece. We put it.
So as I said, guys, the size is determined by you, right? So now we're going to make some bigger spinach and show it to you. Same procedure. You pinch off a piece, just a little bit more bigger than these, and you roll it in your hands.
And notice, the longer you roll it, the longer it becomes.
So these are some big size spinach, and these are some small size. So we're gonna carry them to the pot right now. Alright, so guys, and next thing I didn't tell you, put just a little flour in the basin so that when you make your spinach and put it down, it don't stick to the bottom of it. So when you're ready to take it up and put it in the pot, it is good. If you don't do that, you're going to have to roll over your spinach again when you're ready to put it in the pot. After you finish, make it like this. You see how all of this finish make. When you're ready to put it in the pot, you're going to have to make it over. So please remember to drizzle a little flour in the bottom of the pan. Alright, so let me go over. Go in the pot.
I put them directly in the pot as I make them.
Or you can just drop them in the pot as you make them. Yeah, man. I eat this spinach dumpling. So the next thing, guys, wait until your water is hot before you proceed to add your spinach to your boiling water. Right? So we are just adding the spinach to our boiling water. You don't want to put them in when the water is cold. They're going to stick up on each other. So wait until the water is boiling. When you finish, add the spinach to the boiling water. You cover back the pot and you allow to cook. So this is it, guys. You drizzle a little flour in your pan that you're going to make your spinach to put in, so that the spinach don't stick up to the pan bottom. All right. So there you have it now, guys. Our spinach is finished boil, and I'm going to just turn the stove off and remove from the pot. There you go. Our lovely Jamaican spinach dumpling. You can put in your soup, your stew, anything at all you want to put them in, guys. You can go ahead and put them. You know what come to mind when you talk about spinach? For Jamaican, the most thing that come to mind is soup and stew peas, because that's what they use them mostly for. Soup and stew peas. Yeah, man. So go ahead and make your spinach, guys. Very easy to make. Catch you on my next video when I will be showing you another Jamaican famous dumpling or dish.